Hi, I'm Matt Hilburn. I'm design manager for Mopar, and with me here is the 2024 Jeep Vacationeer concept for the 58th annual Easter Jeep Safari. Starting at the front of the vehicle here, some of the first thing you're going to notice is the unique front fascia where we have an integrated winch and laser-powered fog lamps. Moving on from that, the next thing is this bright pearlescent mint color that we call spearminted. We accent this color with white roof, mirror, wheels, and we feel like this color combination really honors the heritage of Jeep and Wagoneer brands while capturing the spirit of the old-fashioned family road trip. This vehicle rides on a set of 35-inch mud terrain tires and 18-inch wheels. That combo gives the vehicle about 1.5 inches of natural lift. We've also increased the wheel opening and added these body color flare extensions. Moving on from there is something that I'm sure all of you have already noticed, and that would be the wood grain stripe that runs the full length of the vehicle. This is actually a three-dimensional textured stripe. It just really brings back that nostalgia for the Wagoneer brand. Moving on to the interior of this build, we've collaborated with renowned fashion designer Kyle James Patrick to develop a unique textile pattern for the insert to these seats. It's a really cool nod to Jeeps of the past. It has little Easter eggs all through it. It's awesome. It's pretty exciting. Really ties in the exterior theme and the warm tones of the interior, and it's just a really cozy atmosphere. Moving along the side of the vehicle, you'll notice up top we have a carbon fiber red tail skyloft pop-up tent. It's a really cool unit where we've actually carried some of the interior textile details up into the bedding and pillows, etc. Makes a really cool vibe up there in the tent. So that about sums up some of the key details for the Jeep Vacationeer concept for this year's Easter Jeep Safari.